Hi everyone, it's Rachel here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put on this bun wig. Now this is the part 2 of my Irish dance series, so if you haven't seen the last one, go watch it, but now let's get into the video. Now a brush and a crud ton of bobby pins are going to be essential for putting on this wig. Now if you have short hair, which if you're watching this tutorial you probably do, you are not going to be able to get all of your hair into the initial ponytail. The goal is just to get as much as you can. And now put that ponytail directly in the center of your head, a bit above the crown. Now begin putting the hair that you have in the ponytail into a bun. Do whatever method to make a bun that you would like to do. This is what I used to do when I had longer hair, so I could get a lot of hair flat on my head, so it's just what I normally do. But do whatever you need to do to get your hair to stay underneath that wig. Now this is the part where the bobby pins start coming in handy, where we have to pin all the hair that we did not get into the initial ponytail to the back of our heads. You will also need a lot of hairspray to do this, but unfortunately I couldn't find mine while making this tutorial. But remember that hairspray is your best friend. Now make sure all sides of your head are as smooth as they can be with all the bobby pins there, because as you well know, this is the only part of your real hair that people see. To begin putting on the wig, put the front comb underneath the front part of the bun and tuck it in. Now leave the string in the bun to the back and now twist it once and bring it all the way over the front of the wig and the bun. Twist it again and then back over the wig. Now do this 2 or 3 times before you start bobby pinning the wig in place. Now you will need a lot of bobby pins. I think for this wig I put a total of 12 in my hair, and I think that when I would actually be dancing I would put on at least 20. Now the fun part about bun wigs is you can accessorize a lot. This is a tiara that I have that I am just pinning in my wig, and now I am putting in a sparkly flower in my hair. It's very nice. I like it a lot. Now I have these little twisty little sparkles that I'm going to be twisting into my hair to accessorize it just a bit more. They're really cute and quite inexpensive and easy to put in. You just take them out and twist them in, and they stay really well. And they're a really nice way to jazz up any hairstyle, really, even if it's not for a fesh. Now this is the completed look. It's very sparkly. I hope you guys liked it a lot. I had a lot of fun filming it, and just thank you for watching. Have a nice day.